So I woke up this morning. The handle to my window has frost on it, and I had a hard time prying it open. And there's a sort of semi-blizzard going on outside. But it's snowing. It is definitely snowing. And it is freezing cold outside. And I probably could show you the walkway too. It's full of snow too. You can see down there. And to show you I'm not joking about the weather, this is a forecast for Lincoln. It's 14 degrees outside. There's definitely snow in the forecast. It's Saturday, December 11th, 2010, and it's 9:50 in the morning. Vote for RYFO.